This is the SUMART TORQ-12. This is their 2 to 24 Newton meter torque wrench that comes in a nice portable case. Now on the back here, it will give you an indication of exactly what this comes with, but let's go ahead and open up this case and see what all is inside. In this particular torque wrench, you are going to get several different accessories. You're going to get 2 long hex drivers. These are going to be a 4mm and a 5mm. And then as far as the other hex size, you are going to get some normal sizes here: a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, an 8, and a 10mm hex. And then over here, you are going to get some Torx bits, a 20, a 25, and a 30 Torx bit. Now this torque wrench is a nice combination between metal and rubber. You do have a very, very visible screen right here to be able to see exactly what torque setting you've got. And it will go from 2 to 24 Newton meters, so this is perfect for most bike applications. The handle is really grippy and it is a rubbery style grip. And then down here you do have a locking mechanism, so you can turn it counterclockwise and it'll unlock it so you can actually adjust your setting. Once you've got your setting set, you then come down here and turn it clockwise and it'll lock it into place, and you don't have to worry about this twisting whenever you're using this wrench. Up top here we have a direction flip, so you can change the direction whether you want to reverse or whether you want to go forward with it. And then you have a bit release button up top. This is a clickable style torque wrench, so when you get to the right setting, this head actually pivots whatever direction you're going, and it'll indicate that you met the torque setting that you set it to down here. All right, let's go ahead and try this on one of my bikes. So to use the SUMART TORQ-12, it's super simple. Basically, you just take the bits that it came with. This particular one is a 4mm bit. Whenever you go to put this on, just simply push the release button on top and then let it go. It'll easily pop that bit on and keeps it secure. Whenever you're ready to release it, just hit the button up top and the bit will come out. We're going to go ahead and tighten down this bolt on my headset here. We're going to get it to 6 Newton meters, and then we're going to make sure that this is fully locked into place by turning this clockwise. Now remember, to loosen it, you turn it counterclockwise, and to lock it into place, you turn it clockwise. Now that we've got that set, we can go ahead and put our Torx bit on our piece. We can flip it to the right direction, and then we can start tightening this down. Now remember, whenever you're torquing a bit, always hold at the handle, and you can see that this has a click, and it gives away just a little bit whenever you get to the proper torque setting. Typically, whenever you feel that giveaway, you only want that to happen once. You don't want to continue to do this, but for demonstration purposes, I just want to show you guys that's how it does. It gives away just a little bit with a really light audible sound. So there you go. That's the SUMART TORQ-12, and it'll go from 2 to 24 Newton meters, comes with all the bits you would need, and is perfect for a home bike mechanic.